Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger and this is
Disney!
And here we are out in front of Gideon's. Yes, we're here to get the cookie of the month. Disney, what is the cookie of the month?
The pumpkin bread chocolate crumble cookie!
Wow, that sounds amazing. Pumpkin is awesome. If they do it right, it's going to be good. I was kind of disappointed last month because the Franken cookies were not that good. No, we were not impressed by them. But this cookie, I heard a lot of good things, Disney.
Yeah.
And why don't you read the description of the cookie?
So, the story behind this month's cookie is a boy they called Pumpkin Fist. Long ago in a distant land lived a young boy with two enormous hands. People in town mocked him and each day eventually casting the poor boy away. Left alone in a field of dust and sand, he began planting pumpkin seeds with his two giant hands. Then with the famine of 1898, he returned to town to help fill every plate. He arrived with enough pumpkins to feed one and all. And that's how a boy they called Pumpkin Fist became a hero that fall.
Pumpkin Fist?
Yeah, apparently.
That's a crazy name. Well, I'm dying to taste this cookie.
Yeah.
And Disney, are you ready to get some?
Pumpkin bread chocolate crumble cookie, of course.
All right, let's go, guys. Let's go. And let's head into Gideon.
Woo!
Hey Disney, we are officially the last people in line for Gideon. As this first time we've ever been last in line for Gideon. They just ran out of the cookie. Which cookie did they run out of?
They ran out of chocolate chips.
The original chocolate chips. Thank you. Have a great night.
I'm back from Disney Springs and I brought back some cookies for Hey and Mrs. Stranger.
Hi!
And we're gonna try the Gideon's pumpkin bread chocolate crumb cookie.
Yum! Sounds delicious!
Alright, so let's open it up.
I'm so excited!
Here's the cookie.
Oh my goodness.
A lot of pumpkin spice cinnamon on it. Alright, so who wants to take the first piece?
Hey, do the honors. Is it yummy?
Very good.
Ah.
Not a very pumpkin-y.
Tastes a lot like pumpkin pie.
It does.
Mmm. And it's like a crumble crust.
Very sweet.
Yeah, very sweet and cinnamon.
Yes, I taste hints of cinnamon.
I think there's some chocolate in it too. I don't think we got to the middle to get that
I don't know
yet.
if we break it open more.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
A lot of chocolate.
Try another piece.
Look at the chocolate. It's really good.
Chocolate makes it even better.
It does, it does.
I like the combination. It's like the chocolate, the pumpkin, even the crust.
Yeah.
Very good. Now comparing this cookie from what I had last month with Tea Stranger, it's a whole nother cookie world. This one is smooth and has a lot of different flavors going on. The Frankenstein cookie and the Bride of Frankenstein cookie, that one just was missing something. And no this has like real
I think it
smooth.
was just like chocolate M&M.
Right, this has
This one
more
has a lot
flavors going.
flavors,
Yes.
especially like for the fall season too.
It does. Fits the season a lot.
Yes, very festive. A lot of good flavors.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this cookie for the.
Well, thank you, Disney,
Yes.
for bringing this back to us.
Yes, you're welcome. Glad I could give you
A little taste of Disney. Oh wow, that was such a good
great
cookie. I loved it. Oh
So
man,
delicious.
so yummy.
Can't wait to have another.
Oh, hey guys, I'm here.
hi.
Hi. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to try that pumpkin chocolate cookie.
Well,
What cookie? There's no cookie here.
Unbelievable. I
cookie fail.
Let's head back to Gideon's for an important message from our new friend.
Don't forget to walk forward. Candace from Orlando. Enjoy Gideon.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.